Are you a realtor scrambling to make a home show ready in a flash? We get it. First impressions matter. At TidyTex Home Cleaning, we specialize in turning homes into sparkling showcases, even on short notice. Our retired Army veteran-owned service in San Antonio delivers dependable professional cleaning that helps properties sell faster and more efficiently. Picture this. Your latest listing is cluttered and dusty, but with our team's quick turnaround, it'll transform into a buyer's dream in no time. From spotless kitchens to gleaming bathrooms, we focus on every detail to ensure your clients are thoroughly impressed. Plus, here's a quick tidy tip. For little to no cost, open all the blinds and turn on lights before a showing. A bright, welcoming space not only feels inviting, but highlights the home's best features, making it easier for buyers to envision themselves living there. With TidyTex, you not only get a cleaning service, you gain a dedicated partner in real estate success. Ready to elevate your listings and close those deals faster? Check the video description for more details and contact us today. Our website, phone number, and email are all there for your convenience. Let us help you shine in the competitive real estate market.